In this tutorial, we will compare data of two columns in Microsoft Excel. Column A has some values, that is called list 1. Column E has some values, that is called list 2. Let me delete this. Now I want to see that how many values of list 1 are present in list 2. So to do this, we can use Countif formula. So let me write Countif formula equal to Countif. Then I will select range, that is list 2, or E2 to E13, comma. Now I want to check A, bracket close, press enter. So we can see that A is present one time in list 2. So I will drag this formula down, but before dragging the formula down, I want to freeze range. So I will select E2 to E13 and I will press F4. F4 we use to apply dollar sign. We can manually enter dollar sign to freeze range. Press enter. Now I will drag this formula down. So we can see that all values are present in list 2 except n. Why? Because n has 0 when we applied Countif formula. So we can say that n is not part of list 2. Let me highlight this. In the same way, I want to check how many values of list 2 are present in list 1. So I will apply the same formula of Countif equal to Countif bracket. Then I will select range, that is list 1, then comma, and I will select A, bracket closed, press enter. Before dragging the formula down, let me freeze the range again by applying dollar sign or by pressing F4. Press enter. If I drag this formula down, so here we can see that A is present two times in list 1, A, and in row number 8 we have A. So by using Countif formula, we can figure out the frequency of values as well as we can check the presence of values from one list to another list. So here we can see that 0 is given by Countif for these values. So we can easily say that n is not part of list 2 and these values are not part of list 1. Why? Because Countif has returned 0 against these values. So this is how we can easily compare data of two columns by using Countif